So this is how I decided to cut my fabric. So the skirt was made up of 3 pieces: the waistband, a long ruffle, and a short ruffle. So 3 different rectangles. So this is the fabric I have to work with. So it's a very nice floral pattern that I really liked at the store, and it has a very like bohemian vintagey vibe to it, and I thought it would look really cute as a skirt. So the first thing I did to make this skirt was to draw out the waistband, and I based my waistband off of a skirt that I already liked the fit of and knew that I really liked what it looked like when I wore it, so I just decided to copy that onto my paper bag as a pattern. So here I'm just tracing my pattern that I cut out of my paper bag onto the fabric using a pencil, and I tape it down just to keep it in place. So this is how I usually use my patterns on my fabric. So after I cut out my waistband piece, I decided to cut out my rectangular pieces, which were going to be the ruffles on the skirt. The reason I do gathers before actually sewing it onto the waistband is so that the gathers, the ruffle pieces, kind of look symmetrical and even all throughout the skirt, so it doesn't look like it's ruffled in one piece and completely straight on the other. After I created my 2 ruffle pieces and did the gathers in them, I attached it to my waistband, as you can see here. So as I was making this skirt, I forgot to record how I actually put the zipper in, but what I essentially did, and I'm showing you in this really spiffy diagram right here, is that I basically took the skirt and folded it in half into where the seam was, and then just did one straight line across from top to bottom on the skirt. And then I just placed my zipper in and sewed it in like this. And this is the final product of making the skirt. It's super simple to make ruffle skirts because it really doesn't involve any complicated pattern pieces. It's literally 3 rectangles of different sizes, and I really like how it came out, and it's very reminiscent of Love Shack fancy skirts and dresses.